Hola, mis amigos. Before we get started to talk about our next lesson, I want to take the time to thank and appreciate all of the teachers around the nation for Appreciation Week. There are a lot of teachers that help you learn at Highland Park. We have your homeroom teachers, we have our specialists, we have our instructional assistants like Miss Mai and Miss Madai. Um, and just people in the office that have helped in so many ways to help you grow as a learner. So happy Teacher Appreciation Week to everybody who has impacted and taught students in all different kinds of areas. All right, my friends, let's get started with our lesson this week. Here we go. Some of the materials that you need to go grab right now are your pencil, eraser, your writing journal, and your word wall. Again, I'm going to emphasize, first graders, I know pens are super cool to use, but I would like you to use a pencil because it's easier to go back and revise and edit our writing at the end of the week. So make sure that you're using that as a writing tool today. Our goal for today, because you know that for reading, writing, and math, we always work on goals. What is it that we're trying to learn? What is it that we're trying to accomplish? Our goal for this day is I can use reasons to write about a school activity that makes kids feel good. I can use reasons to write about a school activity that makes kids feel good. Please, first graders, repeat after me. I can use reasons to write about a school activity that makes kids feel good. Awesome. I heard everyone participating and repeating back the goal. Keep that goal in your brain as we work throughout the lesson to see what we are doing today. Going to review a little bit. On Monday, we generated ideas. I had you write a list of activities that you think make kids feel good. And I had told you to write down 5 ideas, okay? And Miss Tapia's ideas were dance, PE, field trips, reading buddies, and reading. I also had you go back and pick one activity that you absolutely think is the activity that makes kids feel good. Um, I starred mine, but I also said you could put a smiley face next to yours or a check mark. And I said dance is the activity that makes kids feel good. We also opened up our writing journals and we began to write our topic sentence. And remember, the topic sentence introduces the reader what you're going to be writing about, which is our opinion. And so from what I chose on my list, I said dance makes kids feel good. I was able to write down my opinion to introduce to the readers what I was going to be talking about this week. Right now, please grab your writing journal and you're going to open up to the page where you wrote down your topic sentence or your opinion for this week. And so I have my writing journal here, and it says that we are going to reread our topic sentence or read again. So I'm going to grab my writing journal, and I'm going to go back and reread again my topic sentence to refresh my memory about what I chose and what I'm going to be writing about today. So dance makes kids feel good. Dance makes kids feel good. I've gone back, I've reread my topic sentence, my brain has reminded me of what I am going to talk about today. So let's see what we're going to go on with and adding in our writing to make it even better. Here's a question that I want you to think about right now. In your opinion, why do you think that activity makes kids feel good? I want you to close your eyes and think about the reasons why this activity that you chose on Monday makes kids feel good. When you have one reason, show me a 1. If you have 2 reasons, show me a 2 on your fingers. If you have 3, if you have 4, and put that on your chest to show me how many ideas or reasons you have to explain why this activity makes kids feel good. This is a time for you to grab your favorite stuffy or call over your pet or sit down with a family member to share your ideas. So please pause this video and share your ideas. Thank you, first graders, for sharing your ideas. These ideas are going to help us with our writing today. I had asked you, in your opinion, why do you think that this activity makes kids feel good? So today in our writing, we are going to use reasons to explain the why. And while we're doing that today, I want you to keep a couple of things in mind, okay? And I'm also going to keep these things in mind as I am doing my writing in my journal today as well. I can ask myself, what are the kids doing? How do the kids feel while they're doing this activity? We have been working also this on visualization this year, okay? And when we visualize, we build mental images in our brain, okay? As readers and as writers. And so today, I want you to think about how can you use visualization to help your reader see what you are saying, okay? And so that comes along with using movement words. You can use words like skip, jump, run. What other movement words can we come up with right now? Okay, I heard twirl, cartwheels, awesome, walking. Yeah, those are all great movement words. You can use that in your writing to help the reader visualize what you're saying. You can also use your 5 senses to do so as well. You know that you can use what you smell, and in this case, what the kids are smelling. What are they touching? What are they hearing? What are they tasting? And what are they seeing? Okay? So let's go ahead and think about how we can use movement words and our 5 senses to help the reader visualize what we are saying in our writing today. And again, here is our 5 senses. All right. Well, here is my writing. I took my journal today and I began to write my 4 reasons that I came up with to explain why I think or feel that this activity makes kids feel good. So remember, when we're using reasons, these reasons explain why I think or feel this activity makes kids feel good. And today in our writing, we are going to use 4 reasons to explain. As you can see, for my reasons, I use the orange marker to identify the different reasons that I wrote in my writing. So, dance makes kids feel good. You know that that's my opinion. That's my topic sentence. It introduces the reader what I'm going to be talking about. Now, I'm going to go in and talking about my reasons. Reason number 1, dance entertains kids, friends, and families. Reason number 2, it's fun for kids to practice and then perform a dance routine. Reason number 3, kids can jump, twirl, and skip around. Reason number 4, kids can dance to different kinds of music. Those are the 4 ideas or 4 reasons that I came up with to explain that dance makes kids feel good. Today, when you go off and do this independently, you're going to grab your writing journal and add on to your topic sentence, okay? You're going to add reasons to explain why you think or feel this activity makes kids feel good. Now, in the past, you have been writing with me 2 reasons on one day, and then we're telling more the next day. Well, today, friends, it's going to look a little different. We're going to sit down and we're going to write out our 4 reasons. And what we're going to do while we're writing out our 4 reasons today, I want you to build your writing stamina. Take your time, stay focused, write the whole time just like we do in class, okay? And if things get a little difficult for you, then think about how you can use growth mindset today to help you get out of that dip. I can tell myself, I can do this, or I know that this may take some time because my brain is trying to work out itself from the dip. So friends, believe in yourselves today when you are writing. Sit down in a quiet place, again, and just stay focused to write out your 4 reasons to explain why this activity makes kids feel good. Go ahead and pause this video right now so that you can build your writing stamina and write down your reasons. Take your time, stay focused. I believe in you. Use that growth mindset, friends. Friends, I'm so proud of the hard work you did today. We thought of 4 reasons to explain why this activity makes students feel good. And so I want you to be honest with yourself. How did writing go today? Were you able to stay on task and focus on your work the entire time to get your 4 reasons written down? Or I had a difficult time, wrote down maybe 2 reasons, I was distracted getting up a lot, or I did not understand what we did today, it was a little difficult. So think about what you did today in writing and how you felt, either a thumbs up, side thumb, or thumbs down. Please let me know if you need any help, friends, and if not, let your families know how writing went today so that they can help you and support you in what you need as well. Have a great Wednesday, and I will see you on Friday.